In number 15 here, we have 3 raised to the power 5x squared. So here you need to find the derivation of 3 raised to the power 5x squared. Now, before that, let's remember that if you want to find the derivation of b to the power u, it is b to the power u ln lb times du over dx. So in order to find the derivation of the number that is raised to a something, you need to find u and du over dx. Now, since here in number 15, we have 3 raised to the power 5x squared. So that's mean 5x squared will be u. So we will say u is 5x squared. So as I told you, you need, in order to find the derivation of bu, you need to find u and du over dx. So u is 5x squared, which is the power that is raised to number 3, and du over dx, which is 10x. Then, so let's find, or let's come back here. So dy over dx will be, let's come back here, b to the power u, yani 3 to the power u, times ln b, which is ln 3, times du over dx, which is 10x.
10x.
Then after that, after I wrote my derivation, now let's come to replace u with 5x squared. So it will be 3 raised to the power 5x squared times ln 3 times 10x. Is it clear?
Yes, teacher.
No. But for the girls that didn't attend the previous, the 2 weeks, the last 2 weeks, sorry, we took lesson 3 and then we start revising chapter 6. And this is revision number 3. We have some revisions. That's what, and inshallah tomorrow and on Wednesday we have revisions. It could be related to our quiz and it couldn't. So please rewatch the videos in order to understand how to solve more examples to lesson 1 and lesson 2, and for lesson 4.9, which is included in our quiz. Now, so do you have any question here?
No, teacher.
Okay. Number 16. F of x is 4 to x to the power 4. So here, what type of is it? Is it logarithmic or exponential? Now, the questions that you have to ask yourself is it logarithmic or it is an exponential? So as you see, is it logarithmic or exponential?
Exponential.
Logarithmic, it's mean it has ln and log. Exponential, it's mean has a number raised to the power x or e raised to the power x. So is it logarithmic or exponential?
Exponential.
Exponential, bravo. So this is the first question that you ask yourself. Then you know that the derivation of b to the power u is b to the power u ln b times du over dx. So in order to find the derivation, you have to find two things, du over dx and u. And b, you have it. Where is b? This is
B is 4.
Bravo. This is b. So b is 4. So now let's find the derivation. It is 4 to the power u times ln 4 times du over dx. So now I need to find u and du. So now to assume u, just come back to our function here. The power that is raised to number 4 is u. So this is u. And I need to find its derivation, which is 2 times 4, 8x cubic. Then let's come back now to replace u with 2x to the power 4 ln 4 times du over dx, which is 8x cubic. Is it clear?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Now, here, what did we have now? We have e raised to the power negative x to the power 4 times negative 4x cubic. Now here, there's no derivation here. We have an integration. Now integration of logarithmic or exponential? This is an exponential since we have e. So this is an exponential. So let's remember that the integration of e to the power u du is e to the power u plus c. E to the power u du is e to the power u plus c. Then here now. So we have e to the power negative x to the power 4 times 4x cubic dx. Now, and if you have logarithm, if you have ln, if you have b, and they are multiplied by a function, and if you have exponential, sorry, with a base b, or exponential with a base e, or logarithm, or ln, be careful. If you have b, or exponential with a raised b, or logarithm, or ln, and they are multiplied like this as an example, or in these three cases, if you have them like this, you have just to multiply, to use the product rule. That's you have here as an this number times a number, number times a number. So here you have to use the product rule. And if you have e raised to the power u times